Glom Ganganapadaya, Paravrata Sarvajanam me, Vadavanaya Swaha, Om Priyanam Tva, Priyapati. Mata Jati Parvati Pita Mahadeva.
So when we do Atithi Deva, Atithi can be in different forms. Atithi can be in different forms. So when we do Atithi Devata, so Atithi can be water, Atithi can be a bird, Atithi can be anything. So I don't want to take too long because we are running out of time. So today whole day we are here for only for Let's go around one by one. Acharya Madhyamam Asmati Acharya Paryantam Vande Guru Parambaram. Touch your right ear and keep the hand like that. The right hand has to come up, left hand has to be down. Keep it on your right lap. Mamo Pakte, Namaste, Durite, Shedvare, Tri, Parameshware, Ajnaya, Parameshware, Bhavan Bhavami Saritam Namami.